Okay, my name is John Acquah. I'm a Ghanaian. I've been working with DBC Brown Consulting 20 years now. We started the company in Ajah in one room and parlor. That's where we started. Gradually, we get a lady called Princess. So from there, we came to phase 2, Omole phase 2. Is there the improvements start to come a little bit. So from there, we came here. We came to Omole phase 1. Before, people were not coming like that because it just started. The boss himself is a good man. He can hear human being cry. That's what makes me so stay. Well, I can say David Brown is a very good man. He treats everybody as one, both coming in, going out. I feel great, very, very great. I am happy. The company has grown very well. The advices I used to give them, not only today, even those coming in, going out, I used to tell them, this is a great place for a person to learn. So when you achieve those qualities in DBC Brown, when you go out there, you can make better. I wish the company more success, and I wish the company to grow very well, more than this.